Hello all. Today we will discuss about the Python programming. Python programming latest version will be 3.7 and 3.8. So this Python will belongs to 3.7 and this Python will belongs to 3.8. If you will check on this topic like outline, so this is the outline of the syllabus. Duration will be approximately 2 to 3 months to cover basic module as well as the advanced module. So Python basically divided in two categories. First will be the basic part and second will be the advanced part. And Python programming will help you a lot if you have a plan to move to cyber security, ethical hacking, networking infrastructure, otherwise software development. Python is the backbone of all different technologies. So this is the small information about the Python, and you can start your career along with the Python, and after the Python you can continue next subject like cyber security, ethical hacking, machine learning, network security and all. And if we'll talk about the duration will be 40 hours and approximately taking 2 to 3 months. So after the Python, you can plan for the interview, you can plan for the international exam of this, certification. Thank you and all the best.